Good day, viewers. Welcome to another biology presentation. So in this presentation, I want us to answer this question right here. So this is a question coming from genetics. Okay, the question reads, a man with no hemophilia marries a woman who is a carrier of the hemophilic gene. Use a full genetic diagram to determine the genotype and phenotype results of such a cross. So we are looking at a man, and this man had no hemophilia. So this man who had no hemophilia marries a woman who is a carrier of hemophilic gene. So here you need to understand what hemophilia is. Okay, it's an inherited disease. Okay, it's an inherited disease where a person breeds for longer periods than normal due to poor clotting of blood. So hemophilia is normally caused by lack of the clotting proteins such as factor 8 and factor 9. Okay, and this is coming from sex-linked characteristics, where you find that we have certain traits that are located on the sex chromosomes, which is the X and Y chromosomes. So here we are looking at hemophilia, which is an example of the X-linked characteristic, where you find that the genes will be located on the X chromosome. So first thing, since we are looking at a man with no hemophilia who marries a woman who is a carrier of hemophilics, so you need to understand that the man is normal, even the woman is also what? Normal. But this woman, even though she is normal, there are chances that she is a carrier because in a genotype she's got a recessive, okay, a recessive gene for hemophilia. So the first thing you need to identify the genotype and the phenotype, then you come up with a cross. So let's see what you're going to do. So here we are going to start with the parental phenotype. Okay, so the parental phenotype, since we are looking at a normal male who was crossed with a normal carrier hemophilic female, because in the question I've been taught that the woman is a carrier for hemophilic gene. Okay, she's a carrier for hemophilic gene. So for the male, it's going to be normal male crossed with normal hemophilic female. Then you come to the parental genotype. So genotype, we know that this is the genetic makeup of an organism. So what is the genotype for a male? We know that it's XY. Now, since this male is normal, we are going to use the dominant allele that will represent the gene for normal. Okay.